Dangbei MP1 Max 4K Triple Laser Projector. The demand for large-screen home entertainment has grown rapidly, and modern consumers are increasingly replacing traditional televisions with advanced projection systems. Among the latest innovations in this space is the Dangbei MP1 Max, developed by Dangbei. This premium 4K projector combines triple laser plus LED hybrid imaging, artificial intelligence automation, and Google TV integration into a single all-in-one entertainment device. It is designed to deliver a cinema-level experience in home environments without the complexity of traditional projector setups. Unlike older projection systems that require dark rooms, manual calibration, and external streaming devices, the MP1 Max focuses on automation, brightness, and smart functionality, making it suitable for a wide range of users. Advanced Triple Laser plus LED Hybrid Light Engine. At the core of the MP1 Max is its hybrid light system, which merges triple laser technology with LED illumination. This combination significantly improves brightness stability, color accuracy, and overall efficiency compared to conventional lamp-based or single LED projectors. The projector delivers up to *3100 ISO lumens brightness **, allowing it to perform well in both fully dark home theaters and moderately lit living rooms. This flexibility means users are not restricted to nighttime viewing conditions, making it practical for everyday entertainment use. Color performance is another standout feature. With 110% BT, 20/20 color gamut coverage ***, the MP1 Max produces a wide range of highly accurate and vibrant colors. Reds appear deeper and more natural, greens are more lifelike, and skin tones are rendered with cinematic realism. Additionally, its ***delta EL1 color accuracy *** ensures minimal deviation from true color reproduction, which is typically seen in professional-grade display systems. The projector also supports HDR10, HDR10+, and HLG formats. These HDR technologies improve contrast levels and dynamic range, allowing highlights to appear brighter while preserving shadow details. This results in a more balanced and immersive visual experience. True 4Ku HD image quality. The MP1 Max offers *** native 4Ku HD resolution, 3,842,160 pixels, ***, delivering extremely sharp and detailed visuals. Even when projected at large screen sizes of up to 300 inches, the image remains clear and well-defined. This is especially important because most projectors struggle to maintain sharpness at very large sizes. However, the MP1 Max uses precision optics and advanced image processing to ensure consistency across the entire display surface. To further improve viewing quality, the projector includes MMC motion smoothing technology. This reduces motion blur in fast-moving scenes such as sports, action films, and racing games, making motion appear smoother and more natural. It also supports 3D content playback, allowing users to experience immersive depth-based visuals when compatible content is available. AI-powered intelligent setup system. One of the most user-friendly features of the MP1 Max is its Instampro AI image setup system. This intelligent automation removes the traditional complexity associated with projector installation and calibration. The system automatically handles **autofocus adjustment **, keystone correction **, screen alignment **, obstacle detection ** real-time brightness adjustment ** eye protection optimization. This allows users to simply place the projector anywhere in a room and power it on. Within seconds, the device adjusts itself to produce a perfectly aligned and optimized image. Even when the projector is repositioned, the AI system continuously recalibrates in real time. This makes it highly convenient for users who frequently move their setup or use it in different rooms. Flexible design and installation freedom. The MP1 Max features a built-in adjustable stand that allows full rotation and tilt control. This enables projection onto walls, ceilings, floors, or angled surfaces without requiring permanent ceiling installation. This flexibility is especially valuable in modern living spaces where layouts may change or where users prefer temporary setups for events. gaming sessions, or movie nights. Despite its flexible design, the projector maintains a premium build quality with a weight of approximately 5.6 kilograms. This ensures both stability during operation and portability when relocation is needed. Google TV Smart Entertainment Platform. Unlike traditional projectors that require external streaming devices, the MP1 Max includes built-in Google TV, transforming it into a complete smart entertainment hub. Users can directly access popular streaming platforms such as Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+. The Google TV interface is highly intuitive and personalized, recommending content based on user preferences and viewing history. In addition, Google Assistant voice control allows users to search for content, adjust settings, and control playback using voice commands. Chromecast support also enables seamless screen mirroring from smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Immersive audio performance. To complement its large visual output, the MP1 Max is equipped with dual built-in speakers designed to deliver cinematic sound quality. It supports advanced audio technologies including Dolby Audio Dolby Digital Plus DTS Virtual X DTS HD. These technologies enhance dialogue clarity, surround sound effects, and bass depth, creating a rich and immersive audio experience without requiring external speakers. For users who want a more advanced home theater setup, HDMI ERC support allows easy connection to soundbars or external surround systems. Connectivity and hardware performance. The MP1 Max offers a wide range of modern connectivity options, including HDMI 2.1, USB ports, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and ERC support. These features ensure compatibility with gaming consoles, streaming devices, and external audio systems. Internally, it is powered by a quad-core ARM Cortex-A55 processor with 2 GB RAM and 32 GB storage. This configuration provides smooth system performance, fast app loading, and stable streaming playback. Wi-Fi 6 technology enhances network stability and reduces buffering, even in environments with multiple connected devices. Gaming and everyday entertainment. Although primarily designed for home cinema use, the MP1 Max also performs well for casual gaming. Its 4K resolution, high brightness, and motion enhancement features make it suitable for console gaming and large-screen gaming experiences. Games such as open-world adventures, racing simulations, and cinematic story-driven titles benefit significantly from the massive projection size, creating a more immersive and engaging gameplay experience. While it is not specifically designed for competitive esports gaming, it offers excellent performance for entertainment-focused gaming setups. Final verdict. The Dangbei MP1 Max stands out as a premium all-in-one projector that successfully combines advanced display technology, smart automation, and modern streaming capabilities. Its most important strengths include high 3100 ISO lumen brightness wide BT, 2020 color gamut coverage true 4Ku HD resolution fully automated AI setup system. Flexible adjustable stand design built-in Google TV platform Dolby and DTS audio support modern connectivity including Wi-Fi 6 and HDMI 2.1 overall. It delivers a complete cinematic experience without requiring complicated installation or additional devices. While positioned in the premium price range, its combination of performance, convenience, and versatility makes it one of the most advanced home projectors available today. For users seeking a modern replacement for large-screen televisions, the MP1 Max offers a powerful, immersive, and future-ready entertainment solution capable of transforming any space into a true home cinema.